I'm Dr. Saeed. I'm the owner of Park Avenue Esthetics in Wallingford. I decided to open Park Avenue Esthetics because of the need and demand in this area, since we don't have any medical spa around here, and in a way to avoid any surgical procedures. So we are focusing mainly on non-invasive, non-surgical procedures that are quick and affordable for our patients. Some of the things that we offer in our office is body contouring, skin tightening, feminine rejuvenation, and non-surgical facelift, and other medical non-invasive procedures. Once again, I'm Dr. Saeed with Park Avenue Esthetics. I would like to invite you to our medical spa in Wallingford.
My name is Ursula Hoxie. I'm a nurse practitioner at Park Avenue Esthetics, and we're here today to talk about the Optimus. So the Optimus as a whole is a great machine, and it really helps to address so many different problems that people have with their skin. You know, whether it be from acne or scarring or, pigmentation, anything that people deal with, it can really help to get rid of these problems or improve these problems. So for instance, we have our Dialase, which is our hair removal handpiece, and this is excellent for both men and women, anybody who's looking for hair removal. And with the Dialase XL that we have, the treatments can be done much quicker, and they are less painful than some of the other lasers on the market. Lumecca is another handpiece that we have, and that's this one right here. It uses intense pulse light. And the Lumecca is great for addressing sunspots, freckling, and redness in the skin. For instance, somebody who has a lot of sun damage, who's been in the sun a lot, you can get discolorations on your skin, and this will help to pull them up and out. So it gives you a clearer complexion. It can help to stimulate collagen, so it can help with the fine lines and wrinkles. So I myself use it, and I love it because it really makes the skin appear brighter. It evens all these spots out, there's less redness, and you're just left with really nice skin. One of the favorites in the office is the Forma, which is this right here, and we call it the instant facelift. It uses radio frequency to heat the skin, and that in turn causes the tightening of the skin. You get those results instantly when you do the treatment. A lot of times we'll even do half of a face so somebody can see half done versus not done, and the results actually are shocking to people. And they love it. They'll come in if they have somewhere to go and an event that they want to look really good for. They'll come and they will get that done to have those results for that special occasion. The most popular treatment that we have of the bunch is the Fractura, which is this one right here. And the Fractura uses radio frequency with microneedling. So it's a great treatment that addresses a lot of different problems that people have with their skin. It can help with skin tone and texture. It can help with fine lines, wrinkles, laxicity, so it helps to tighten it. Active acne, also acne scarring. So a lot of concerns that people have with their skin, this can definitely address it.
One of the most embarrassing problems that I have had in my life has been the unwanted hair on my face. And Dialase has helped with that significantly. I no longer have to be a member of the Razor of the Month Club. I tried everything in the past. I shaved, I plucked, I put every kind of chemical hair remover. I even bought these expensive machines that hurt like heck and weren't effective. And Dialase took care of all of that. The treatments are very fast and painless. You don't need any sort of numbing cream or anything. It's just quick, painless, and very effective. It maybe takes 5 minutes. I would tell anybody who is dealing with unwanted hair on their face. I've told a lot of my male friends about it that I notice have sort of razor burn or bumps and irritation from the shaving, and it seems like that would be really painful and unpleasant. And Dialase will help with all of that. Or ladies like me who are really embarrassed by the hair on their face, Dialase helps with all of those.
My name is Ursula Hoxie. I'm a nurse practitioner here at Park Avenue Esthetics, and we're here today to talk about the Contoura. So the Contoura is exactly what it sounds like. It's a body contouring device. Most people have heard of cool sculpting, and this is a great alternative to cool sculpting. It uses a little bit different technology, but with the same endpoint. It is non-invasive, doesn't require any surgery, no downtime, and it's perfect for targeted fat reduction. So we can use it anywhere on the body. We can use it on the abdomen, on the back. Many women, we get bra fat and back fat, and we don't like that. Love handles, fat on the thighs, good for both men and women. It doesn't have to be one or the other. It can also help to decrease the appearance of cellulite. So again, as we age, men and women both have cellulite on their bodies, and the treatment can help to reduce that. So overall, non-invasive skin contouring, no downtime, no pain, no surgery.
In the past, my chin area and the fat there has always been something that's bothered me, whether I'm at my thinnest or at my heaviest. And I've considered having liposuction and even plastic surgery there, but I'm really afraid of those. It's a big risk. It's surgery, it's anesthesia, it's expensive, it's downtime away from work, and Body Effects has given me quite good results with very few treatments that were painless, quick, no downtime from work, and very affordable. Body Effects has made me feel so much more confident when I am in front of a group, or even when I'm with my friends and we want to take a picture. I've noticed that there haven't been a lot of pictures with me. I'm always hiding from the camera, and it's a shame because photos are a great way to save memories, and Body Effects has really given me back my confidence. As a woman in my early 40s, I started to notice that my long-standing go-to makeup routine wasn't doing the trick for me anymore. I think the Fractora actually, while it does some resurfacing, what I really liked about the Fractora is that it stimulates the collagen growth, and that is something that I thought would be really important for me with all of the problems that I was having with the wrinkles, with sort of sagging look on my face, and I've noticed major improvements in that. I think the treatments took about 45 minutes or an hour each. I was actually shocked at how comfortable I was during the treatment. After having Fractora, my confidence has gotten back to where it was when I was much younger. I have been acne scarred and acne having all my life, and people were saying, "You have great skin." That to me is worth it. If you're having any concerns about how your face is looking and it's making you not feel your best, you should just come in for a consultation. You will feel so welcome. Dr. Saeed and Ursula and the staff are so warm and welcoming. They have so much knowledge about it, and you will not be sorry that you came in.
I'm Kurt Johansson. I'm a small business owner. I've been in the aesthetic field, both as an educator and as a practitioner, for about 20 years now. I believe Fractoral is best recommended for people that have post-scarring, whether it be from acne, it could be from trauma, people that are suffering a diminished amount of collagen and elastin. I've been dealing with a scarring issue for most of my life. For me, the treatment, as far as my level of comfort, was relatively painless. Fractoral I found did a couple key things for my skin. The largest change I've seen in my skin is a significant reduction in post-acne scarring. I've also noticed probably about a 70 to 80% reduction in the redness on my upper décolleté and on the flanks of my neck. I've also noticed that my skin acts much younger. It's much more supple. So I would definitely recommend Park Avenue Esthetics for anyone that wants to take that next step in getting the look and the confidence back that they are looking for.
I'm Ursula Hoxie. I'm a nurse practitioner at Park Avenue Esthetics, and we're here today to talk about Votiva. Votiva can be good for women of all ages. The main reason women are excited about Votiva is that it is non-surgical. So one of the biggest concerns people have when they come in is they think that we're going to perform surgery on them. And this is so far from that. There are no knives, so there's no scarring, there's no cuts, there's no downtime associated with it. You can get the procedure done and you can go to work right after, or just carry on with your day. There's no downtime, and it's essentially painless. It's a 30-minute procedure, and you get all the benefits that you can get from possibly more invasive things that are going to have some downtime, some pain associated with them. So the Votiva actually has two different parts to it. There is an internal portion, and there is also an external portion. So the internal portion uses bulk heating. It's a radio frequency which heats the tissue up. There is also an external portion that uses like a microneedling and radio frequency technique, and that really helps to rejuvenate the labia. As a woman who has done Votiva, the main reason that I did it was for urinary incontinence with coughing and sneezing and laughing too much after I had my children. And with having the treatments, I have not had that problem. So it's quick, it's easy, and the results continue to improve over, the weeks after.